15 years ago, a Japanese satellite captured some unusual images while orbiting the moon. Among countless impact craters, a strange dark pit was seen descending straight into the moon's interior. It was not an impact crater but rather a mysterious deep hole. Further observations revealed that more than 200 similar pits are scattered across the lunar surface. Each one appears to be a gateway to the moon's hidden underground world. This discovery sparked tremendous excitement among scientists worldwide. It is believed that important information about the moon's ancient past and humanity's future may be hidden in the darkness of these pits. But what exactly are these mysterious holes? Why are they keeping scientists around the world awake at night? And why has China entered a race with the United States to explore them? Let's find out what awaits humanity inside these terrifying mysterious pits of the moon. China has rapidly become a leading player in the space race in recent years. Their own space station, Tiangong, is operational. The successful China lunar missions are ongoing, and now they have entered a new race to conquer the moon directly against the United States. In May 2023, China's Human Space Agency announced that it plans to land astronauts on the moon and establish a permanent base there by 2030. Among the potential landing sites being considered are regions containing these strange lunar pits. But what makes these mysterious pits so special that China wants to send humans there and build bases around them? From a distance, these pits look like ordinary impact craters. However, scientists believe they are actually collapsed ceilings of ancient lava tunnels running beneath the moon's surface. Billions of years ago, volcanic eruptions occurred on the moon. Molten lava flowed like rivers, creating long tunnels beneath the surface. Later, the lava cooled and solidified, leaving behind hollow channels known as lava tubes. Similar lava tubes can still be found on Earth today in places like Hawaii. For example, Kazamura Cave is nearly 65 kilometers long. However, because of the moon's lower gravity, lunar lava tubes can be much larger. Some may even be several kilometers wide. Over time, parts of the tunnel ceilings collapsed, creating the deep pits visible on the lunar surface today, while the remaining tunnels remain hidden intact below. In other words, each of these pits serves as a special entrance leading into a vast underground cave system that has existed for billions of years. But surviving on the moon for extended periods presents enormous challenges. The moon has no atmosphere, meaning cosmic rays and deadly solar radiation strike its surface directly. At the same time, tiny meteorites constantly impact the moon because there is no atmosphere to stop them. Even temperatures are extreme, reaching over 100 degrees Celsius during the lunar day and dropping to around minus 150 degrees Celsius at night. These harsh conditions are dangerous for both humans and equipment. But what if there were a safe place to hide from all these dangers? Those giant lava tubes and underground caves may provide exactly that shelter. Their thick rock walls could protect against cosmic radiation and meteorite impacts, while temperatures inside the caves would remain much more stable than on the surface. Research suggests that temperatures inside some of these pits remain around 17 degrees Celsius during the day, while outside temperatures fluctuate between over 100 degrees and min. If bases could be built inside these caves, the need to construct entirely new protective shelters on the moon would be greatly reduced. Some tunnels are so enormous that entire cities could fit inside them. These natural caves may therefore become the foundation for permanent human colonies on the moon. Not only could they provide protection, but these caves might also be transformed into fully habitable environments. If the tunnel entrances were sealed and filled with Earth-like air, the thick stone ceilings would act as natural shields. The interior could become similar to Earth, though gravity would remain only 1/6 as strong. Just imagine what an incredible experience that would be. Once such habitats are established inside lunar caves, the need to constantly transport supplies from Earth would decrease significantly. Permanent settlement on the moon would no longer be just a dream, it could become practical and even economical. Before these dreams can become reality, however, the first step is to explore these pits and assess their structure and stability. Sending astronauts into unknown darkness without proper knowledge could be extremely dangerous. Scientists need to understand what lies inside and how strong the cave ceilings and floors are. For this reason, space agencies around the world are developing specialized robots capable of entering these pits and sending back images and maps. For example, NASA rover systems may land near the edges of these pits and partially descend into them, using cameras and lasers to scan their interiors. Small spherical robots could roll through the tunnels and create detailed 3D maps. There are even concepts for hopping robots that could use the moon's low gravity to jump into pits and back out again with ease. These regions may also contain valuable resources. The moon is believed to contain helium-3, a rare isotope that could one day provide nearly limitless energy as fuel for future nuclear fusion reactors. In addition, water ice may exist in deep caves where sunlight never reaches. If humanity can extract and produce these resources directly on the moon, there would be far less need to transport everything from Earth. The moon could become a major launch platform for deep space missions. From there, future explorers could obtain water, air, and fuel before traveling to Mars and even farther into the solar system. It is fascinating to think that thousands of years ago, our ancestors survived by taking shelter in caves on Earth. Today, humanity may once again return to caves, but this time, on the moon. These ancient lunar lava caves could become humanity's shelter of the future. In a way, history may be repeating itself once again.